Our cooking methods are carefully selected for each ingredient. Whether it's for texture, color, or health reasons, each method is intentionally chosen to directly benefit you. Today, we'll take a look at each cooking method and go in depth as to why and how they help you. Let's get to it. First, we'll talk about our half grill, half bake technique. With this technique, we will take a protein, whether it's steak, chicken, salmon, or tilapia, and we'll grill it to create a crisp outer shell. This portion of the cooking process is interchangeable with a sear, depending on the protein. But the purpose of this is solely to get the outer layer to harden a bit and only cook it halfway. This protein is then taken off the grill and put directly into our oven that will finish off the cooking process to the exact cooking temperature of each protein. We have two temperature checks, one from our industrial sized oven and one from our own thermostat here. This ensures that all of our proteins are properly cooked and safe to eat for our clients. This half grill, half bake method allows our protein to stay moist and juicy all week long by trapping the delicious juices with the crisp outer shell. This is vital for our meal prep service to execute in order to alleviate a common pain point with meal prep services, and that's dry food throughout the week. This makes your meals more enjoyable, keeping you on track for longer. Now, on to our next method, that much like the half grill and half bake technique is meant to sustain the texture of your food. We're talking about blanching. Blanching is a method that involves rapidly cooking our vegetables in boiling water, followed by dunking these vegetables in ice cold water. This will bring out some amazing colors in the veggies while also locking in that snappy crunch we all love. So gone are the days of having to eat soggy vegetables. These two methods are a subtle but effective way to keep your meals fresh for 7 days and will in turn keep you on track with your nutrition. Other notable cooking methods also include our roasting and braising. These have made an appearance with our pulled pork and beef chuck meals that require a slow 8 to 10 hour cooking period. It takes much longer than the other methods, but so worth it for our clientele. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Until next time.